Hello everybody, in this episode I will show you how to change the fuel filter on your car. The car that I'm working on today is a Volkswagen, but this method is working for almost any car out there. This is my new filter and my gasket. To do this job I need a T20, like you can see here, but my camera lost focus here. After that you will need some screwdrivers and the empty bottle. I'm using this empty bottle because I'm using a pump to remove all the fuel from the filter. You can also use a cloth or maybe a syringe to remove it. Okay, first what you have to do is to remove all the screws from the top. I'm using my T20 to do this. And after that you need to pry it open using your flat screwdriver. Now to remove the cap of the filter, you need to insert the flat screwdriver between them, between the filter and the cap. You will have there a special place where you can insert it, as you can see. And I'm prying it slowly from every side until it's lifted up. Here I'm placing some towels around the fuel filter because I don't want to have any fuel into the engine compartment. Now what you have to do is to slowly lift your fuel filter up. I'm also using a flat screwdriver because I want to lift also the fuel itself up, because in some cases it may fall down. Now you can't remove your fuel filter. Now with the fuel filter removed, all you have to do is to remove the old gasket and install the new one. This is where the gasket is located, around the fuel cap. You can use a screwdriver to remove it. Just make sure you're not damaging the parts inside the filter. This is the old gasket and this is the new one. Always when you're installing a new gasket you have to lubricate it. You don't want to install it dry. I'm using my fuel to lubricate it, and after that you can install it back onto its place. Just make sure the gasket sits properly onto its place. In order to remove the old fuel from the filter, I'm using this pump. I will also leave a link down below from where you can buy it. This will help me to remove it very easily. Just place the hose into the bottle and after that turn on the pump. As you can see, all the fuel has been removed very easily. I also cleaned the inside of the filter. I recommend you to do the same, because in this way we have no dirt and debris left there. Now all we have to do is to pour some gas into the fuel filter. The filter must be halfway full. Now that we have enough fuel inside, we can install the filter. Now just take your new filter and place it onto the filter cap. The filter cap must go inside the hole from the filter. Now you can install the screws. Just make sure you don't tighten them too much. Now what we have to do is to clean the area very good with some brake cleaner, because you don't want to have any gas into the engine compartment. After that you can spray it with compressed air. After you're done with cleaning the area, all we have to do is to start the car and rev it a little. After you turn off the car, just check around the fuel filter to see if you have any leaks. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.